Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen. Today we'll be making yogurt cake. It's really easy, simple and delicious. So let's go. Here's what you'll need. After trying it out, you can even use half the flour. It will be less heavy that way. Start by taking 1 yogurt cup, adding the oil and eggs, and mixing it till you get an even batter. Medium speed is just fine, it won't take that long. Next, add the sugar. I'm using a mildly sweet yogurt, but if you're using a plain one, you can add more sugar if you'd like. Add the flour, I've sifted mine, and again, mix well till you get an even batter. This is the consistency you're after. Now all that's left is to pour it in the cake pan and into the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or until the toothpick comes out dry. This is me trying to flatten it. And here you go, easy, simple and quite quick yogurt cake. Let me know in the comments below how you liked this one, what yogurt you used and how much of it is left. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell and share it with your friends. But most importantly, bon appetit!